Hello. I want to talk to you a little bit about the alphabet again. Hopefully you've done some practicing and you're ready to record it for me on Friday. You will just have to record the letters of the alphabet. You'll simply say things like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. At the end of your recording the alphabet letters, you also say your name, and you'll have to ask. You'll have to spell your name. So let's practice that today. Let's practice spelling first. Here's some common German words. The first word is the word Danke. Danke is what we say when we want to say thank you. To spell it, we'd say D-A-N-K-E. Now you try it. The next word is bitte. Bitte is what you would say when somebody says danke. If I say danke, you say bitte, meaning you're welcome. Let's spell it. B-I-T-T-E. Now you try it. The next word is Gesundheit. Gesundheit is something that we say after somebody sneezes, meaning bless you. Literally, Gesundheit means to your health. Let's try to spell it. G-A-S-U-N-D-H-E-I-T. Gesundheit. Now you try it. Junge is the next word. That means boy. Junge. Notice that the first letter is J, and J sounds like our English Y. J. J. Junge. J-U-N-G-E. You try it. The next word is the word Mädchen. Mädchen means girl. It has a funny accent mark on it. That's called an umlaut. An umlaut is sometimes over the letter A, O, or U. It's the only accent mark the Germans have. But instead of saying Mädchen, the umlaut makes the word sound like Mädchen. When we spell it, I spell M-A, then I say the umlaut D-C-H-A-N. Mädchen. M-A umlaut D-C-H-A-N. You try it. Guten Morgen. That you should recognize by now. Can you spell it? Auf Wiedersehen is the next word. It's a long one. And be tricky about that first letter in Wiedersehen. That's not a vowel, that's a V. Sounds like V. Auf Wiedersehen. A, U, F, V, I, A, D, A, R, S, E, H, A-N. Give that one a try. That was a long one. Tschüss and ciao are both ways to say goodbye. When I say tschüss, I spell T-S-C-H-U umlaut S. And when I spell ciao, T-S-C-H-A-U. You try. When I ask you your name, sometimes I'd like to know how it's spelled. So if I ask, wie heißt du? Or if you asked me that, I would say, ich heiße Frau Weiss. F-R-A-U-W-I-S-A. So pull together with your partners, pause this presentation, and ask your partner, wie heißt du? And ask them to spell their name. That's good practice. Cognates are words that you recognize. That word cog in the word recognize means a word that you know. That's a Latin root. So a cognate is a word that you recognize and or is similar in two languages. There's a lot of cognates. I'm sure when you were learning Spanish, you saw that there was cognates between the two languages, Spanish and English. But there's even more in German. Words like Finger, Ball, Winter, Arm, Tourist, Hand, Butter, Cola, Gold, Telefon, Ende. I'm sure you don't have any trouble recognizing what those words mean. German and English are sister languages. English evolved straight from German. There's more cognates or words that you recognize between our two languages than any other language. If you thought Spanish was easy, you should think German's even easier. So try these cognates on the next slide. If I taught you the colors and I said braun, weiß, purpur, blau, rot, grün, orange, and grau, could you tell me what colors they are? I'm guessing yes. I'm guessing you'll be able to tell just by looking at them what colors they are. I don't even have to teach you the colors. Here's some funny animals. Those two are cognates because I think you'll be able to tell what animal it is based on the word. Krokodil, Giraffe, Hund, Hund being the cognate to hound, like in the word Dachshund. Mouse, Schwein being the cognate in English to swine. Tiger, Penguin, Fisch und Elefant. There's lots more. These are just a few. Or adjectives that we use to describe people or things. Intelligent, dumm, attraktiv, aggressiv, alt, jung, aktiv, laut, kreativ, arrogant. So many words that I don't have to teach you. And I hope that already you've learned some Spanish and you thought that was fun and easy. I hope you'll keep an open mind and realize just how easy German will be to learn too.